Hello, Wallpaperland family. Have you removed your old wallpaper only to find stubborn glue residue left behind? Don't worry. Today, we're showing you how to remove wallpaper glue in just 5 simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your supplies. Before we begin, let's make sure you have everything you need. Here's a list of supplies: warm water, white vinegar, dish soap, sponge or cloth, plastic scraper or putty knife bucket, spray bottle, towels, drop cloth or plastic sheeting. Step 2. Protect your space. Lay down a drop cloth or plastic sheeting to catch any drips and debris. This will make cleanup easier and protect your floors from damage. Step 3. Prepare your solution. Now, let's prepare our cleaning solution. In a bucket, mix equal parts warm water and white vinegar. Add a few drops of dish soap to help break down the glue. Pour the solution into a spray bottle for easy application. Step 4. Apply and soak. Spray the solution generously onto the wallpaper glue residue. Make sure to cover the entire area thoroughly. Allow it to soak for about 10-15 minutes. Step 5. Scrape and clean. After the glue has soaked, use a plastic scraper or putty knife to gently scrape off the softened glue. Be careful not to damage the wall surface. Wipe the area with a sponge or cloth soaked in the cleaning solution to remove any remaining residue. Removing wallpaper glue in just 5 simple steps. With a little patience and the right tools, you can have your walls clean and ready for your next wallpaper project. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert tips and tutorials from Wallpaperland. See you next time.